Guangzhou Opseve Cosmetics Company Limited was established in 1999 as a professional OEM and ODM manufacturer focusing on development, design, specializing in the production of detergent products, skincare products, and personal care products. Our company is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou, covering an area of 35,000 square meters, about 20 minutes far from Baiyun Airport. Our factory has passed ISO 22716, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certifications. Have 32 production lines of international standard GMPC. Have ERP system and above 600 employees. 4-level standardization certification enterprise certification. Takes quality assurance customer first as its service concept and treats every customer sincerely. Have a 1,000 square meters research and development laboratory. Have 91 patents and 3,684 formulas. Original research and development skincare products formula with professional researchers, experienced manager, marketing officers. Our sales network covers over 30 countries in the world. Our QC department strictly tests product packaging materials before production. Every product is produced through at least 25 production processes. Strive to deliver each product to customers in the best condition. Welcome to visit our factory. We look forward to the cooperation with you.